Mercury! First stop, Mercury. It's the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. Because it has almost no atmosphere to trap heat, it's a land of extremes, boiling at 430 during the day and plunging to 180 at night. Mercury is actually shrinking. As its massive iron core cools, the planet's surface wrinkles, creating giant cliffs called lobate scarps that are hundreds of miles long. Venus. Next is Venus. Don't let its bright beauty fool you. It's the hottest planet in the solar system. Its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide traps heat like a giant greenhouse, making the surface hot enough to melt lead. A day on Venus is longer than its year. It takes 243 Earth days to spin once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Plus, it rotates backward compared to almost every other planet. Earth. Third from the Sun is home. Earth is the only world we know of that hosts life, perfectly positioned in the Goldilocks zone where liquid water can exist. We are protected by an invisible shield. Earth's strong magnetic field deflects dangerous solar radiation, and our moving plate tectonics help regulate the planet's temperature over millions of years. Mars. Then we reach Mars, the red planet. It's home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. If you stood on Mars at dusk, the sunset wouldn't be red, it would be blue. Because of the fine dust in the thin atmosphere, blue light is scattered more efficiently near the Sun. Asteroid Belt. Between the rocky inner planets and the gas giants is the Asteroid Belt, the ancient leftovers from the birth of our solar system. Far from crowded, it's mostly empty space filled with orbiting rocks. If you crushed all the asteroids together, their total mass would only equal about 4% of our moon. The vast majority of that mass is found in just 4 massive objects: Ceres, Vesta, Pallas, and Hygiea. Jupiter. After the asteroid belt, we hit the heavyweights. Jupiter is so massive that all the other planets could fit inside it twice. It's a gas giant with a great red spot, a storm twice the size of Earth that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter is a radio broadcaster. It emits powerful radio waves so strong they can be detected from Earth, and it possesses a staggering 95 moons, including Ganymede, which is larger than Mercury. Saturn. Saturn is famous for its spectacular rings made of billions of chunks of ice and rock. It's a giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium, and it's so light for its size that it would actually float in a giant bathtub. Those famous rings are temporary. They are slowly being pulled into the planet by gravity and might vanish in 100 million years. Also, look at its north pole. There's a permanent cloud pattern shaped like a perfect hexagon. Uranus. Now we enter the realm of the ice giants. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side, literally rolling around the Sun. Its beautiful cyan color comes from methane gas in its atmosphere. It's a bit smelly. The upper clouds are made of hydrogen sulfide, the same chemical that gives rotten eggs their scent. Because of its tilt, the poles experience 42 years of straight sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Neptune. We reach Neptune, the most distant planet. It's a dark, cold world whipped by supersonic winds, the fastest in the solar system, reaching over 2,000 km/h. Deep inside Neptune, the pressure is so intense that carbon atoms might crystallize into diamonds, creating a literal diamond rain that falls toward the planet's core. Pluto. Deep in the Kuiper Belt, far beyond Neptune, sits Pluto. Once our 9th planet, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. But don't let the title fool you. Pluto is a complex world with mountains made of water ice and vast plains of frozen nitrogen. Pluto has a giant heart-shaped glacier called Sputnik Planitia. It also has a moon, Charon, which is so large that the two of them actually orbit a point in space between them, like a binary planet system. From the shrinking cliffs of Mercury to the frozen heart of Pluto, our solar system is a landscape of extremes. Every rock, every moon, and every gas cloud tells the story of how we came to be. The tour ends here, but the exploration never stops. Which of these worlds is your favorite? If really like this video, leave a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you on next video.